Assalamualaikum students. Today we'll start class 3 computer subject. It is about different keys of keyboards. Now let's study about some other keys of a keyboard. In a last lecture we have discussed about input device is a keyboard which has consist on many keys like numeric keys or number keys, alphabetic keys, and many other punctuation keys, special keys. There are few keys on consist, and we have to use different keys like caps locks, tabs, shift, control, window keys, alert keys. This is a different keys. Okay students, today we will discuss about the key of keyboard is caps lock key. This key is used for typing the letter in capitals and uppercase letters. Uppercase letters means कि हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखते हैं, तो जब हम बड़ी अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसको हम अपर केस बोलते हैं या कैपिटल में. जब हम छोटी एबीसी लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो इट मीन्स दैट वी आर राइट इन अ लोअर केस. ओके, जो निचले वाला तक का होता है उसमें हम लिख रहे होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन कैप्स लॉक इज ऑन, जब हम कैप्स लॉक को ऑन करते हैं, वी कैन सी लाइट ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. तो हमें एक लाइट मिलती है इन द राइट साइड ऑफ द की ऑफ ऑन टॉप के ऊपर हमें एक राइट साइड के ऊपर एक की मिलती है, सॉरी लाइट मिलती है. द लाइट कलर विल बी ब्लू और येलो. some keyboards of Dell consist on two lights, different lights. So one is blue and another is yellow. The all keyboard is include yellow lights and which is a newest keyboard with which consists on blue lights. Okay students, and so when you type a letter, जब आप कोई भी लेटर टाइप करते हैं, then it will appear in the capital or अपर केस. वो आप कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर उसको क्या देखते हैं कि आप जो भी आपने वर्ड लिखा है, which word write and which word you want to write on a keyboard, so you can see on a monitor screen. Understand students? So for example, if you type a memory, it will appear on the screen as memory. आप फर्ज करें कि आप मेमोरी वर्ड लिखना चाह रहे हैं, so you can see on monitor screen as memory word in an uppercase. If you press the caps lock key again, अगर आप एक दफ़ा कैप्स लॉक की ऑन प्रेस करने के बाद आप उसको दोबारा से प्रेस करते हैं कैप्स लॉक को, you will find that the caps lock key indicator is off. फिर आप देखेंगे कि जो आपके पास लाइट ओपन हो रही थी in your keyboard on a top in the right side, which light is open when you again press caps lock key. So you will see on a keyboard in the right side on the top, the light will be off. It means that you have closed the caps lock, and now we will write in a lower case. Okay, now if we type a letter, it will appear in a small or lower case. For example, if you type memory, it will appear as a memory. Understand? Okay students, now we are going to doing work practically and see which caps lock keys on a keyboard and where is light open, and when we press caps lock key what to do, and when again we press caps lock key, so what to do. Okay students, this is our keyboard, and the caps lock key is included in this left side of the keyboards. So firstly we press this key. Okay students, now what to do here. Okay students, we have already pressed the caps lock key, and this light will be on when we press key of caps lock. Now we again press this key, so here this light will be off when we again press this key. So we are going to press the key again, caps lock key students. So here this light will be off. Okay, now we again press this key, so focus on this side. Okay students, when we press this key, so this light will be on. It means that we are in the form of caps lock key. When we write any things on a computer through a keyboard, so we find a letter in a uppercase. Okay, now we just write this key, so you can see on a monitor. Now students, focus on this word. We write key memory. Okay, we again write this word. You can see on a monitor we are writing in uppercase. We write word memory in a uppercase when we press first time caps lock key, so you can see on a monitor very easily. And then we again this key, caps lock key, so you can see on a board how we write in a lower case. हमने इसको दोबारा से क्या किया, इस caps lock को ऑफ किया. So you can see on a monitor which word we write, letter we write, so in a lower case. Understand? So students, what to do, and why use this key? This key is used to word typing a data, typing a word in a uppercase. Okay students, so it is important to write uppercase. Any word, any sentence, any long paragraph you can write on a monitor screen through a keyboards. Okay, understand? I hope you will understand this lecture. So you will do practically on yourself on a home. So I hope you understand this lecture. Okay, stay home, safe life.